Assalamu alaikum, kids. Welcome back to your channel, Quran for Kids. Today we will move towards Surah Al Baqarah, verses 16 to 20. Let's start.
الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين.
Allah has continued to talk about these hypocrites as they traded their iman to devil, considering it a profit. But Allah is saying that their trade will not benefit them, and they have lost their chance of guidance. They will be rotten in hell forever.
مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون.
Their example is that of one who kindled a fire, but when it illuminated what was around him, Allah took away their light and left them in darkness, so they could not see. Allah is describing the situation of hypocrites by an example. When someone lights a fire in the dark, the light of fire takes away all the darkness, and a person could see his surroundings. But due to their continuous denial, Allah has taken that light from them, and now they are left with only darkness. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was just like a light in darkness which could shed all the ignorance from the world. But many people acted as hypocrites, so Allah has disgraced them and taken away the shadow of righteousness and left them in the darkness of hell.
صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون.
Deaf, dumb, and blind, so they will not return to the right path. Allah is saying that hence these people have denied to accept Quran and Prophet Muhammad. Now they are like deaf, dumb, and blind people who cannot achieve the right path.
أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين.
Or it is like a rainstorm from the sky, within which is darkness, thunder, and lightning. They put their fingers in their ears against the thunderclaps in dread of death. But Allah is encompassing of the disbelievers. Allah is again giving an example of thunderstorm in which there is lightning and fear, and the people are scared enough to put their fingers in their ears.
يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
The lightning almost snatches away their sight. Every time it lights the way for them, they walk therein. But when darkness comes over them, they stand still. And if Allah had willed, He could have taken away their hearing and their sight. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. Allah is resembling light as a straight path in this ayah. He is saying that hypocrites are so coward that when the things are easy and favorable, they follow Islam. But as soon as they are asked to participate in a battle or to sacrifice their things, they just stand still and do nothing. Allah is saying that He is so powerful to snatch their ears and eyes. Allah is angry on their hypocrisy. The true believers of Islam and the companions of Prophet were so brave to sacrifice their life for Allah, and they faced many difficulties in their path. This is the quality of true Muslim. But hypocrites were so reluctant and coward to sacrifice even a minor thing for the sake of Islam. These were the people for hell. Key lessons from these ayahs. The hypocrites are deprived of Allah's guidance because of their insincerity. Their spiritual state is one of misguiding and being misguided through fear and perplexity. Allah's power and control encompass everything, including their fate. This teaches us the importance of sincerity in faith and following Allah's guidance wholeheartedly. That's all for today, my dear friends. Don't forget to recite Surah Al Baqarah every day and share what you learned with your family. See you in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.